today we're going to weatherproof this thing and get it ready for the spring. Okay, now that we got the box up off the ground, let's talk about paint supplies. Number one, paintbrush. Get a good one. Don't get a cheap one. I used to think it didn't matter, but it does. Get a good paintbrush, it'll give you a good finish. It'll last a long time too. Next thing you need is a primer. Make sure you prime this wood. If you don't, you're gonna put this paint on and that paint is not gonna stick to that wood near as well. So get you a good primer. I have an oil-based primer here because I'm using oil-based paint. I think that oil-based paint lasts better in the weather. Weather here, down south, it's rough, hot, humid, lots of rain. So make sure you get you an oil-based paint. I'm using gloss white. Why? Because I'm in the south, it's hot. And I want to keep those bees as cool as I can during the summer. So that high gloss white, the white will reflect, the gloss will reflect. It'll keep as much heat out of this box as possible. So I'm going to use the high gloss white. Okay, only thing that's left is to prime this thing. Told you I always have that butter knife. That butter knife is very handy in opening cans, paint cans. So make sure you get that brush. Look at how nice and smooth that brush is. I'm telling you, it pays. It pays to buy a good brush. Now some people say, well, can you roll it? Well, you could roll it, but the problem is, how are you gonna roll this right here? You gotta get in there anyway. You gotta get a paintbrush dirty, and you're really not painting that much anyway. Just get your paintbrush and go at it. Take your time. I know you want to get in a hurry. I know you want to be finished. You want to be done. You're like me. Let's get the job over with. But this is something that needs to take time. It's fall right now. You don't need this until the spring or the summer. We're painting them now so that the odors and the chemicals can dissipate, so they'll be ready for next spring. But we don't have to have them ready tomorrow. So take your time. Look, this paint job is going to protect your bees. This paint's going to protect your equipment. So make sure it's done right. Take your time. All right, guys, that's the end of day one. We got it all primed, and so tomorrow we'll get it sanded, do another coat of primer on it, and probably get it painted either tomorrow or the next day. Stay tuned, you'll see what happens.